Right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a typewriter effect in DaVinci Resolve 21. So you don't have to use followers or anything like that to do this now. So once you add in a text node in Fusion, or you can do this in the edit page as well, or instead of using a text, you can use an S text as well, and it will still work fine. But we'll just be using the default text plus node. And here you just in the text field right click, go to crocodile and select write, and now you will not be able to edit the text in this field. To edit the text, you have to go to the modifiers at the top and just type in your text. So you can type in a paragraph or you can type in a word. I can now make changes to the font over here. For example, if I want to use a different font, I can go over here and change that, increase the size and all that stuff. Here we have the right slider that we can animate. So if I just go to the first frame, create a keyframe on right, set it to 0. I can go to frame 60 and set it back to 1. And we'll have an animation like this. Pretty easy to create this typewriter text now with a custom cursor. And if you want to change the cursor, you can go over here and just replace it with any character that you want. And yeah, that is pretty much it. That's how you can create a typewriter or typing animation with a custom cursor inside of Fusion. Then if you want to add in a prefix as well and before, and if you go to the tools, go to shading, and you can enable the second shading element, and you can switch the appearance to fill, and then you can set this based on word. Then you can also change the colors if you want to do that, and change the roundness as well, and this will still work fine. It's like this. I think this is pretty handy, pretty powerful. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.